Assalamu alaikum to every one of you guys. In this lecture, I'm going to cover how to multiply algebraic numbers. In my previous video, I've just talked a lot about how to add and how to subtract algebraic numbers. But in this lecture, we're going to cover how to multiply algebraic numbers. The video is a lot more helpful. Watch this video till end. You will know how to do so. So let me just write here down a statement that is to first multiply symbols then numbers. In order to work with how to multiply algebraic numbers, first you should multiply the symbols, then you should multiply the numbers. So how you're going to have to multiply the symbols? Let me just share with you 4 things. You should keep them in mind. Will help you a lot how to do so. So that is, you should keep in mind that positive multiplied positive becomes positive. Positive multiplied negative becomes negative. Negative multiplied positive becomes negative. Negative multiplied negative becomes positive. Keep this in mind forever. Will help you a lot how to multiply algebraic numbers. So let me just share with you an example, very easy example. For example, -2 multiplied +4 equals what? First thing you should do, first multiply the symbols, right? Multiply the symbol, negative into positive, okay? Multiply it, negative into positive. Search it out here. Negative into positive becomes negative. Then multiply the numbers. 2 into 4 becomes 8. The answer is -8. Let me just share with you another example. +4, +3, -2. Look at here. Positive into positive becomes positive, right? Positive into negative becomes negative. Positive into negative becomes negative. 4 into 3 becomes 12. 12 into 2 becomes 24, right? So let me just erase it, and if you want to take its note, you can pause the video, then just take its note, start the video again, continue, right? Let me just share with you a little bit tricky example. That is -4, -3, and 2 as -2, -2, right? Equals what? First thing you should do to add these numbers, this is how you are doing addition of the algebraic numbers, okay? Taking the common symbol, 4 plus 3 becomes 7, -7. Then simplify the parentheses first. -2 plus 2 becomes 4. Now you should multiply these numbers. What we are working on today, right? Negative into negative becomes positive. 7 into 4 becomes 28. Positive 28. So guys, I hope this lecture is helpful. You have learned a lot from this video. And please guys, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, share the videos links with other friends. They want to improve their basics of the mathematics skills. And I will see you in my next comment lecture. Bye bye.